Hey, gearheads! If you're considering buying a Ford Fusion, you're probably wondering how long will this car actually last? Well, in this video, I'll give you the key facts on the Ford Fusion's lifespan so you know what to expect. The average Ford Fusion lasts about 10 years or around 200,000 miles, but with proper maintenance and care, many Fusions go over 300,000 miles strong. First up, are Fusions reliable? Well, Fusion owners have had mixed experiences. Some report great reliability while others have had major issues. Overall, Consumer Reports rates Fusion reliability as average among family sedans. Proper maintenance is crucial to minimize problems. What helps a Fusion go the distance? Quality materials and good engineering make these cars durable. The warranty also provides peace of mind. Regular oil changes, fluid flushes, air filter replacement, and tune-ups will optimize longevity. Looking at mileage, the typical Fusion reaches 200,000 miles before needing major repairs. But again, taking care of your Fusion with regular upkeep can help it cruise past 250,000 or 300,000 miles easily. Go easy on the gas pedal and avoid accidents too. Which model year is best? It depends on your priorities. For performance, look at 2006 to 2009 models with V6 engines. 2010 to 2012 models have the most tech features. And 2013 plus models score best for fuel efficiency. Years to avoid? The 2007 and 2008 model years had the most issues according to Consumer Reports. Problems included interior design flaws, lack of power, and rough rides. Compared to similar sedans, the Fusion ranks well for spaciousness, power, and value. It lags behind rivals like the Honda Accord and Toyota Camry in resale value and fuel economy though. Common problems include transmission issues, engine stalling, axle issues, electrical gremlins. But overall, the Fusion is one of the more reliable midsize sedans out there. To maximize your Fusion's lifespan, follow the maintenance schedule. Drive safely and avoid accidents. Keep it clean and protect the paint. Fix small issues early before they become big ones. While discontinued in 2020, Ford may bring back the Fusion someday. For now, a well-kept used Fusion makes an affordable and reliable family car. There you have it, the key facts on how long a Ford Fusion typically lasts and how to get the most years out of yours. That's it for today's episode of Axlewise. Don't forget to subscribe and keep revving those engines.